Yeah, I'm literally in Home Depot. And I came here to get some water, but they don't have any. And like, I don't know if y'all know, Memphis water is bad. And we trying to get some bottled water. I have some, but I'm trying to make sure that my mama and other people have some. So I don't know. I guess we'll have to keep looking. So hopefully we can find some. Also, you need a basket? But yeah, like, we literally, I had an appointment today, and, ooh, that's cute. But yeah, I had an appointment today, and literally, it got canceled. Like, as I was pulling up, and I'm just like, oh my God, like, for real? But it's cool. Y'all, my hair look cute, but it look a mess, to be realistic. I need to wash my hair. But anyways, y'all, it's still like so much freaking snow. I'm gonna see what these kids doing. And y'all, like, this could not be like the worst time, and like no heat, no water during the pandemic. Some people still power still out. Like, it's just sad. Like, it's just sad. I'm praying for everybody. I hope that everybody just be okay, cause and I know that, I mean, one of my friends, her freaking apartment caught on fire. Like, the kids chilling. So I don't know, but I'm just praying for everybody, because this is really sad. Yes, baby.
She's thirsty.
You thirsty? Yeah, we still on our search for some water, like, for real. It's looking real dry-ish. Like, I don't know. I wanna say hey. Hey. Amari say hey. She ain't feeling this guy, but whatever. We are in Target now. Still looking for some water. The search is on. My mama is talking about driving to a whole nother state just to get some water, which I don't even think that that's gonna happen. So said she talking about going to a whole nother state just to get some water. And I just don't see it. But we're gonna let y'all know how this goes, how this turns out. All right. Okay. She's talking about hey. Okay, so we found some water, but it's like a 2-person limit, so I'm gonna get 2. He gonna get 2. So yeah. Y'all, I mean, it's like, it paid to be stocked up, and my mama was stocked up. My mama was stocked up on water, but she was so nice that she gave people that didn't have water, thinking that she was gonna be able to find some more water. And now she's struggling to find some water. So we getting this water. We getting this water for her. Man. Oh, this so cute. I like this tree, y'all. It's just so cute to me. But yeah. So we gotta leave. We trying to hurry up. But excuse me. Yeah, y'all. And we supposed to be turning up today. It is my birthday. Yeah, and I'm excited. But anyways, my mama calling me, so.
This is so much snow. Like, it's just sitting there. Like, what's the freezing?
Okay, y'all. So wait. Okay, y'all, so we was able to get the water for my mom. Just met her. The girls went with my mom. They've been begging to go over there. So, yeah. And now we got to go to Walmart because we still need to get some more last minute stuff. Because we're trying to give his mama a surprise birthday party today. And, yeah. It's very surprising because the weather has been surprising. I'm trying to do some of this stuff at the car, baby. But anyways, yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. We can get ready to run in Walmart. Hopefully I have what we need. Hopefully. Because we don't want to keep going store to store. But yeah, this has been a day. Just vlogging. I wonder what he doing. He recording. He's trying to take a picture. Oh man, and the freaking ice cracked his windshield, bro. So freaking trash. Like, why? Y'all, I ain't never seen a store this dry. Like, look at this. Look at Walmart. Ain't no bananas. Ain't no grapes. Ain't no vegetables. What the fuck? I got some onions. Oh my god. Like, ain't no salad. Bruh. OMG. Ain't no strawberries. Huh? Nothing. What in the heck? Bro, this is crazy. It's so dry. Y'all, what the world? It's really like a ghost town in this day. Like, no lettuce. Like, what people gonna do without this lettuce though? I said, what people gonna do without this lettuce though? Ain't no meat on the shelves, y'all. It ain't no meat. Y'all, this is in what the freak? Ain't no meat on it. I can't believe this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ain't no chicken. What the freak? Bruh. Oh my god. Oh my god. OMG. We in a pandemic for real. Now, at this point, it's a little cheese. A little cheese. But, and I know it ain't no water, so ain't not a lick of water. Not a lick of water. Ain't even no milk, y'all. It ain't even no milk. No eggs. Oh my god, no eggs. This ain't even funny. Like, oh my god. Whew, this is kind of scary. At this point, this is kind of scary. For real. Oh my god. What's going on? Yeah, look at these girls' shoes on. Let me stop before I fall while I'm playing some. Look at these girls. That booty? That big old booty? I hope you. Oh, look at him. He's so sweet. What's up, y'all? It's your girl T, and I'm back with another freaking video. T and Cuddy. Anyways, this is his mom's 50th birthday celebration. I'm finna let y'all see her. Oh, she's gonna be so freaking happy. They ain't set the food up yet. But it's coming though. This place so big. I'm so cute.
You have to think you get ready.
Ooh. So cute. And then imagine it being dark in this junk. Oh, this is so cute.
Like, I can't wait till I'm 50.
So, that's all she was talking about since last year. His mama gonna be so freaking happy, bro. Hey.